Yes, yes. There are lots of other fabrics like cotton, chiffon, and
Hmm.
synthetic. We have many varieties. You can go through any of them. They all are really nice and pretty good colors. So you can choose any of among them.
Okay, I'm just checking.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Neha Mehra. Originally, I am from Madhya Pradesh, but I am connecting to you from Ahmedabad, Gujarat, as my husband is working here. So I've been living here since 2018, and I'm blessed with one daughter. She is 1.5 year old now, and now she's sleeping. That's why I'm able to connect with you. And I have completed my graduation, BTech from IT, and I used to do a job, but after marriage, I'm full-time homemaker. And if I talk about my hobbies, then I like watching TV and cooking. And now I enjoy watching conversational videos and English podcasts. That's all about me.
Hmm. Right now, you are fully homemaker. When your daughter will grow up, like she will join play school, then you have, I think, set a goal. You want again join your organization.
Actually, I used to do job in MP Madhya Pradesh, but after marriage, I have to move here in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. But yeah,
Mhm.
if in future if I get any good opportunity that I can manage both simultaneously, like home as well as work, then I would definitely want to do job.
Because before marriage we can do job, but after marriage, if you have a little child also, it's very difficult for every mother.
Right, right. Cause
Mm,
I've been living in nuclear family and there is no other helping and no one else who can take care of my daughter. So I need to give time her, and so that's why I need to see that whether I am able to do job or not.
mm. But like some women are very ambitious, I can say. So they
Right.
are, and they are, hiring a nanny also. What's your opinion
Yeah.
regarding this?
Actually, I don't consider to hire any nanny because I have waited my daughter for a long time. I become mother after 6 years of my marriage, so I'm really I love her a lot. So I don't trust anyone else that. And now she's too young, and I don't think so. She will be able to live without me because now she can't live without me even for a minute or so. Let us see, but now I can't think that I can trust anyone else and who can take care
Mm.
of her. Let's see
I
what
think
it.
you don't like. I think you don't like that system also.
Yeah, no. Yes, yes.
Yes. Some of are, very ambitious, so they are, just sending their children in crèche also. Okay, every person has
Yeah,
their own mindset. Sometimes, they needed some money. That's why these kind of women doing these kind of things. But
right, right.
mostly,
If
yes, yes. You were saying
yes,
something.
yes.
Hmm.
I was saying that if we really need money, if there is no other option that we have to do job, then we should choose other option as well. But
Hmm. Yes,
yeah,
yes. So today we will play a role play. Can we do?
right, right, sure.
Okay. So you are a shopkeeper and I am client. Okay.
All right.
So I'm just, looking here and there, and you will ask, may I help you, ma'am? What are you searching? Do you want? So please ask.
So first, let me know that I'm a shopkeeper. So you have come to any big store like any big store like there you can
It's boutique.
uh,
It's
pick up anything by your own.
it's a boutique.
It's a boutique. All right.
Yes.
Like a beauty salon.
No, no, boutique. They are, customizing sometimes dresses also.
Right. All right. All right.
Yes. Ma'am,
Sure.
I
Sure.
want a
Okay.
maroon color kaftan. Do you have?
Sorry, pardon, please.
I want maroon color kaftan in
Kaftan.
chikankari
Yeah.
work. Chikankari work. Do
Yes,
you
yes.
have?
Yes, ma'am. There are lots of maroon colors chicken curry craft I have. And I may I know what size do you want?
I want XL size.
All right. So here are some pieces. You can choose among them.
Mm. Um, these are not looks good. Please show me some other colors, some vibrant colors.
Some vibrant color. Oh, there are many other options. You can you will surely love other colors as well. Like we have lavender colors and lemon colors and beige color, and they are all having so nice embroidery over here. So, what would you like to have? What color would you prefer among these colors? May I know
Ma'am,
your
apart
choice?
yes, yes, apart from chicken curry, do you have any variety of kaftan? Like in silk fabric, in cotton fabric?
Yes, yes, there are lots of other fabrics like cotton, chiffon, and
Mm.
synthetic. We have many varieties. You can go through any of them. They all are really nice and pretty good colors, so you can choose any of among them.
Okay, I'm just checking which color suits to me. Yes, this lavender color is really looking so good. Please show me this dress.
Sure, here you are. So you
Okay.
can try. There is a trial room if you want to. Put this dress on, try this dress on. So there is a fitting room, so you can go there and you can try this dress on.
Okay, okay. I'm just going to check the size in the trial room. Yes,
Sure.
yes, it is very fitted with for my size. So, what is the price of this kaftan?
It's only rupees 800.
Ma'am, it's very costly.
Oh, but you can see that the work on this dress and color, and it is a branded piece. So, if you want, that I can give some discount
But it's not
on.
but it's not Viva. So why you are taking so much money for this dress?
Actually, it's a branded piece. You can check the fabric of this piece. It's very smooth and it's a very
Hmm?
smooth piece, and you will feel really comfortable after wearing this piece. So if you
Okay,
want that, I
you
will give you 10% discount on this, but not more than 10%. I can't give more than 10% discount.
okay, ma'am. So please pack this dress for me. Now I'm going to. Okay, ma'am. Tell me, like you want cash or you are taking money from card?
So we accept both. Whatever you want, you can pay with any of like UPI code, or you can also pay with check. We accept both.
Okay, ma'am. Take my card and please swipe this.
All right. Uh, so okay, now here you
Mhm.
go. It's your dress. And
Thank you.
visit again, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Definitely, I will visit again.
And it's my first experience that I have played any role. So it was really funny and I enjoyed it.
But we have talked. It's a very general questions. Mostly, clients ask to the shopkeeper. Do you have this size? Do you
Right.
have this color? What is the fabric quality? There are so many questions in their mind. If we are
Yes,
doing this
yes.
kind of conversation, these are very helpful for the beginners and the learners also, advanced learner also,
Right.
because it is
Okay.
based on daily conversation.
Yeah. And we should know because we get confused whenever we go shopping, and if we want to converse with them in English, like sometimes. If we
mm,
go mall, so there are many shopkeepers, they can easily understand English, but there we get confused sometimes that what to say. So it's really nice. It is very helpful if we converse, we practice here. So
mm.
we will not make any difficulties.
After conversation, who are watching these conversation, they can get ideas. Okay, these kind of conversation we can do with the shopkeepers.
Yeah, all right.